Okay, everybody, welcome back to my vlog again. And today is Thursday, 4th of March 2025. Okay, today I'm not going to show you my MT5 chart because I don't have any open position, and the remaining chart is Euro, New Zealand dollar is already hit the take profit yesterday, and I get around $530 for this. Okay, uh, for this vlog I would like to discuss and to talk about something else. Okay, because I'm not really made a lot of vlog in 2024, and in 2025 actually also I'm not really have really good interest to make a lot of vlog, but somehow some way I already made a YouTube channel, so I need to really uh, put effort on this because to be honest, okay, made YouTube channel is easy to say, easy to make some recording, but when you come to editing, it's gonna be a different story because some short video, for example, only 10 or 15 minutes, it sometimes take for me around 30 minutes to edit. And since I'm working just like ordinary person, just working like 9 to 5, this is a little bit extra job for me, okay, just to make a YouTube and editing of vlog. But in 2025, okay, I try to push myself to make a little bit more, okay, more and more vlog. So hopefully, okay, hopefully this my YouTube vlog, my trading vlog will be useful for some person who still learn to trade, or some my fellow trading who want to see or who want to hear a different opinion about trading, even though basically trading just like okay, just like a normal business. Okay, there is no secret, there is nothing. Okay, and now I just want to talk about something like little bit interesting, because some of my friends outside they asking me, did I made a lot of trading in 2024, because they didn't see a lot of vlog that I upload in YouTube. To be honest, that yeah, that is true. In 2024 I'm not really active in trading, even though I'm still trading, but because of my daily routine, I'm still working in the office, and my work also demand a little bit attention, because of course everybody is different. Some people they have really not really busy in their office, but for me personally, I'm quite busy 9 to 5. Sometimes I'm working overnight. Okay, yeah, but that is the life. Okay, that is the requirement. So I need to put my priority to my job first, not in trading. Okay, because I until now I still put forex trading as my side income, not really my sole source of income. And that is important, that when I have my priority, because of course it's not fair for my company, because my company pay my salary monthly, always on time, always give me a lot of benefit. It's not fair if I'm using my time when while I'm working, just to do some my side business or my side job, and especially talking about the trading forex. And it's really difficult, okay, if you not really put your focus in trading, because you put your money on the line. So I don't want to open my chart here in the laptop in front of me. I want, because of course trading is not like only 5 minutes and 30 minutes. Sometimes you really need to do a lot of research before you decided to open one position. Okay, the interesting topic was, or the interesting theme is, with 5,000 US dollar. If you watch my previous blog, you can see my previous blog that I'm starting this YouTube channel with 5,000 US dollar, and now it's reaching nearly 10,000. Okay, reaching nearly, because maybe a couple of weeks ago it's already reached $10,000, but it's going down again up to 9,500, and now slow but sure is going back to 10K or 10,000 US dollar. So the question is, why or how come that I can make a big profit? Because I'm back to the trading in November 2024. I a little bit active more with the trading, and suddenly my profit is going up quite really quickly. Okay, because now can you imagine, only maybe 2 or 3 months I can make more than 80% profit. Okay, because my previous capital is only 5,000 US dollar. Of course, the answer is very simple. So why? Because I increase my lot size. Okay, normally or previously I'm using 0.2 lot size for my every single open position in 2024. But in November I decided to increase my lot size. Okay, but please, okay, keep in mind that I'm using 1 to 500 leverage. So I just try to maximize the benefit that I have, that given by the IC market is my broker. So I increase my lot size, not really high actually. I'm increased from 0.2 become 0.5. Okay, 0.5. And normally every single position I'm using stop loss is 100 pips and take profit is 200 pips. So the risk and reward ratio I think is quite okay, because this is according to my side. This is okay because the profit is bigger than the stop loss. Okay, of course, in the journey from November up to now February, the journey up and down, ups and down, that is quite normal. I make profit, I make loss. I show you my trading journal. You can take a look from my previous vlog. And somehow, someway, now I'm the point that I made nearly 100% my profit. Okay, even though now it's still beginning 2025, it's only 2 months. Okay, so is it good or not? In when you're talking about the profit side, of course it's good. Okay, but if you talking about the risk reward ratio compared to my capital and everything, well, to be honest, I can say that it's a little bit risky. Okay, it's a little bit risky because, for example, if I have a deep drawdown, I can lose more than 50% from my capital. Okay, for example, if my profit target is 200 pips, of course that's the same story can happen if I'm in the losing position. Okay, because sometimes you think that the setup is a perfect setup, but when you think the setup, there is nobody can guarantee the perfect setup is will become a profit. Okay, because a lot of perfect setup end up with the losing position, and that is quite normal because there is no such thing in this trading world that you can say if you have perfect setup, this guarantee 100% can make money for us. So that's what happened. So for the moment I still survive. Well, I just want you to give you information, of course. Okay, due to the high leverage that I have with IC market, actually I prepare more than $5,000. Okay, $5,000 I put in my IC market account, but of course here in my pocket I still have around 20,000 US dollar just to inject, just to top up, just in case that I lost some of from my 5,000 US dollar. So this is important for you, that actually I'm not only have 5,000 US dollar in my trading account. Actually here in my pocket I'm ready to make some extra top up when it's necessary. Okay, that's why I decided to increase my lot size. So this is the benefit if you trading, because the broker give you leverage up to 500 leverage, and I try to maximize this. Okay, that's why if your broker giving you quite high leverage, you can maximize this benefit. Okay, because you don't have to put all your money in your trading account. This is very important for you, because most of regulated broker, they all give you really low ref rate, maybe 120 or 1 to 30, or maximum 1 to 100. Okay, and with IC market, because IC market have two kind of account. Okay, one is with the Australian and the other with Seychelles. Okay, and in the beginning also is IC market giving us a option, so I decided with the Seychelles because the left rate is quite bigger. Because if I go to the Australian side regulation, they only offering maximum up to 1 to 30. Okay, just correct me if I'm wrong. This is what I know. You can take a look your own broker, the regulation of your broker, because every broker is different. Okay, that is why, if you see now, if I tell you that I made 100 almost 100% profit, please bear in mind that that is not because I only put my 5,000 and then now become 10,000 US dollar. No, because I have more than enough capital here in my pocket, ready to top up when it's necessary. Okay, so that is for today. Okay, I've been waiting for maybe since yesterday. I'm not waiting, but I'm just take a look at chart maybe every 4 or 6 hours or 8 hours, and I didn't see any good opportunity in my pair. Okay, I have only several pair, less than 10 pairs to trade with, including this gold and Bitcoin. But for gold and Bitcoin, well, I'm not really put my interest to this two pair, because the volatility is quite high. So I prefer the ordinary foreign exchange. Okay, the ordinary pair from the forex side. Okay, now it's a little bit raining outside here in my hometown. Well, and maybe I will going out to buy some coffee, because I'm get sick and tired to make my own coffee. The best coffee is the coffee that made by the other. Okay, that's why when you go to the coffee shop, the coffee in coffee shop is mostly tastes much better rather than you made by yourself. Okay, okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in next vlog. I will keep updating. Okay, hopefully next week, because I'm not sure this week I get some chance to open position. I will show to you beginning or when or how I open my position, so you can learn from this also. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep healthy, keep profit, keep the money management tight. Okay, this is very important. Without good money management, you can lose all your money. Okay, thanks for watching. See you and bye.